So next, forward rate agreement. How this forward rate agreement work? You'll see. Meaning of forward rate agreement. It is an agreement between two parties, A and B. Two parties they are coming together, in which borrower lender protect itself from change in interest rate. So they want to protect one thing. What their principle? How the interest rate is changing. So protect that they want an agreement. That is forward rate agreement. Feature of forward rate agreement. Following are the main features. It use fixed interest cost. So whatever the market price, you need to pay only a fixed interest cost. It is an off balance sheet instrument. What is off balance sheet instrument? A off balance sheet instrument. It's not an agreement with balance sheet. It's outside the balance sheet. These elements of forward contract won't be reflected in the balance sheet because you have made a contract to make the expenses. Made the contract to make the interest rate. Whatever may be the interest rate, you're going to pay this. So that won't be reflecting in the balance sheet. It does not involve any transfer of capital. Capital won't be transferred. It is settled at maturity in cash. Always it is cash. Final settlement amount is determined by the following formula. What? N into RR minus FR. DTM by DY by 1 plus RR by into DTM by DY. So this is the formula through which this settled. The seller wants a payment to buyer if the RR is lesser than future contract. Buyer owes a payment to seller. If it is if the RR is greater than FR, seller owes the money to buyer, and if the RR is lesser than FR, buyer owes the money to seller. This is what happens. I will tell you what is this formula, detailed formula that will be helpful for you. 1 minute.